Let's get the bolts in. Hey, Muller, how goes? So we're just a touch shy of 12, which means that this has to come out to about there. What are we at? Can you give me a link, Muller? Okay, that's gonna be interesting. Good, this is for what I thought it was for. These will help hold this upright and in, which way do they go? In the correct position. They go up. Do they have to thread? They do have to thread. Okay, good to know. I like that. That is a mighty fine upgrade. Getting those to sit plumb and fussing a tank around them has been right, but you can show me what you're thinking of. It doesn't have to be like an exact link to the exact product, but man, that's nice. I like that. Okay, well, I'll come and look at it after I get the dumb, funny, custom size door. Squishy, squishy, squishy spin. Squishy, squishy, squishy spin. All right, let's remember to get this out. This is Toto brand. If you haven't heard of Toto or seen Toto, have a look at, they have some, oh, we need to clean that floor a bit. They have some videos up on YouTube about the kind of testing that they've done. And as far as I know, it might have changed since, but when I last looked at it, they were saying that they were the only company that tested it this particular way. And the way that they test it is to make a material analog. So they have a fake poo, and they would keep iterating their design until they could get the maximum amount of fake poo to flush well. And the amount of fake poo that they can flush, their material analog, is more than any other brand. So it's quite impressive how much material these can move, especially for being a fairly low flow option. Okay. Get some of this garbage out of here. So they actually do a fair amount of R&D, and their products work really well. And for a master bathroom, you sort of want to say, here's where you get the good stuff, right? So here's where the Toto goes. A lot of the lower flow toilets that are out, and even the one that I got over there that's like, oh, we can flush so many golf balls, they often require a second go around. I think all of these are You've been to a Toto convention? That sounds fun. Yeah. Got a bit of wax on that one bolt. Does this say which way it goes? Yeah, round and up. I actually remember that episode where they had to do this long debate, and he kept filibustering until everyone had to go use the toilet. And then because they weren't around anymore, their votes wouldn't count, so it was just him. And by the end, everyone agreed with him anyway that the standard toilets were better. I watched very few episodes of that show, but that was one of them. So I might want to get a shim in underneath the front here later. We'll see how it sits with some water in it. This wasn't that, what? Tank to bolt gasket, that's that. What bad? Oof. Metal washer goes under the... I think it should rather go like this. Why do I have two bolts Okay, maybe we don't put the washer here. Yeah, they specifically say rubber washer onto bolt. Push the bolt through the bottom of the tank. Oh, okay, so we put a nut on here. And then we put another metal. Okay, I see. I see. So we do like that, and we get a metal one and a nut here. Hold the bolt centered in the hole and tighten till the nut finger tight. Give it an additional 1/2 turn. That's finger tight. Give it 1/2 turn. So we'll do 2/4. 1, 2. Hold that in the center. Washer, nut. Finger tight, 2/4 turns. There we go. Make sure you get 3 points of contact. Another washer and nut. Oh, pardon me. That gasket moved? The gasket didn't move. Okay. I wonder if I have my long socket still in the house. I do. Yeah. Okay, now do I have my socket driver? It's an expensive thing, so I get nervous about this sort of stuff. What was I using it for? bathroom. I was using it with the hex keys to tighten that. So I could run outside and get a different one. Yeah. Will do. Thank you. Like I said, I'm more welcome today to the back seating, and I'm normally fairly welcome to back seating. Just might not be responding with the enthusiasm that I might like to, because I am so very tired. There it is. Found it. Get that just kind of loose on there. There. Oh, that's nicer. Trying to get that second point of contact there. Oh, there we go. Just got it. Still a bit loose. Still a bit loose. We'll get the GoPro in a minute. Just a little bit more. This is where I start to get nervous. I don't know what this part is for. I think it's like an extra in case this doesn't come with the right sealing. Yeah, that definitely looks like, yeah, that's that. Okay, so I got 2 of these. Didn't know what size I'd want. I hope I can get by, yeah, with the short one, then I can return the long one. And I say do not over tighten, do not use a wrench. Only hand tight for this. Hand tight only. Avoid using a wrench. I know, right? This is Moose's house of creativity. All the contrast. That's what we're after nowadays, is contrast. Oh my god, contrast. Hey! You know what? That actually lines up really nicely, that length. There, beautiful. Making fun of my color blindness. I'm offended. I'm offended. Hey Dave, how goes? Well, let's see if it leaks. Oh my goodness, step number 8. After there are no more leaks, caulk the base of the toilet. My goodness, Toto, for shame. I didn't. There's a new thing in Canada where you don't use the toilet seat, you just use the rim of the toilet. I want to caulk the toilet. Do not use in-tank bowl cleaners. Fill valve, installation procedures, shut off the water. Whoops. Yeah. Set water line 1/2 inch below the top of overflow tube. I think that's pretty good. Whoosh! There she blows. And got a little bit of dust on there. That's okay. So as far as I can tell, there ain't no leaks on me. We'll still have to get the nuts on later. Interesting, they provide just completely extra of those. Do they say they want this on below the washers? Yeah, so we can redo that. I wonder if this is the right size for these. It is, yay. Yeah, I just wanted to see if it was before the bolt and the washer, or just or the nut and the washer, or just the nut. I'll fuss that tightness up in a minute. Should we get these ones on? Did I get this one on? Yeah, I got that on right. Might have to cut those off. Yeah, okay, that's fine. Those can cut off later. So I didn't end up with a Toto brand seat. This can go out there to get returned. The people who sold me the toilet said that they have a lot of complaints with them, that they slip and that they're really slanted. Hey planets, how goes? So they gave me a different one that apparently works on clips. So when you want to do like a thorough clean of the toilet, you can unclip the seat without having to unscrew it for cleaning. And I thought that was not the worst idea I've ever heard. So it's this thing here. It's a Bemis. Ow. And it does have a soft close feature, but the things have to be on for that to work. So it does still have a soft close. Might need my number 3 screwdriver or a bigger flathead for this. So this says insert A, turn B onto A all the way up. And this is up. There we go. So those clip in there. All right, we're gonna have to do this a little bit backwards. Yeah, that's what they were bragging about, is how good these are for cleaning. I don't know why this is so difficult to get in. Tighten, open hinge cap. Okay, let's get a screwdriver. Bigger screwdriver than that. That's a wall. Now the only question I have is, do these little spots underneath have to be a certain alignment? And it doesn't look like they do. We have a miscommunication going on. See if we can get that solved. There we go, tight. Oh, seriously? That's the realtor. That almost hurt again. You get to work, planets. And try to loosen this up a little bit. And Toto makes some nice stuff. What I'm trying to do is move this so it sits a little bit more center. I don't love how that wobbles that much and goes off to the side like that. Yes. See, like a lot of this, it's not the fasteners. Let's see how it feels to just sit on it. See if it scoots. That's not bad. I could plug my phone in here and sit for a while. Yeah, so let's double check that. Open it up. It does scoot a little bit. I don't know. It's hard to tell because like you don't normally sit on a seat with clothes on. But there's a toilet. So toilet done. Toilet done. Wiping while you sit? What? All right, who wipes while they sit and who stands up? Well, that's nothing I can do anything about. That's 100% in the mechanism. Like that's plastic flexing. We can try to push this down. That might help reduce it a bit. Yeah, that helps a bit. Okay, stand up or sit down to wipe. 1 in chat for sit down. 2 in chat for stand up. Put your votes in. Oh, hey.